Okay, this is for Brittany. So, let's see. To evaluate this, we would just do each one separately. That's the cube root of 8 squared. Well, the cube root of 8, that's 4 and 2, 2 and 2. So that's 2, the cube root of 2 3's is just 2 squared, so that's just 4. And then this is just the square root of 4, which is 2. So it's 4 times 2, which is 8. This one you would distribute your 2/3 to everybody, so it would be 27 to the 2/3. Y, 4 times, would be 8/3. And then y to the 2/3. We would subtract our exponents on our y's. 8 take away 2 would be 6/3. And then I would need to break this down. That'd be the cube root of 27 squared. That's 9 and 3, 3 and 3. So that's the cube root of 3 times 3 times 3 is just 3 squared times y to the 6/3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So it would just be 9y squared. This one, the cube root of 125 is 5, because that'd be 25 and 5, 5 and 5. So it'd just be 5. And then I could, express using rational exponents. That's not what I'm supposed to do. It's just supposed to be 125 to the 1/3 x to the 5/3. And then express using radicals would just be that. Homework. These are the ones that I have not went over yet. That'd be the cube root of 343 squared. That's 7 and 49. 7 and 7. I'm looking for groups of 3, so it would just be 7 squared, which is 49. The 3's actually cancel out and just give me 8. That's the square root of 5 times 10 is 50, which is 5 and 10, which is 5 and 2. So that's 5 square root of 2, and that's just 1/3. This one, I distribute my 2, so it'd be 5 squared n 6 times n to the negative 6. I can move that to the bottom because it's a negative exponent. They cancel, so it's just 25. Did I finish this one? Yes, I did. This one's the cube root of 64. 64 is 4 and 16. That's 4 and 4. I could go all the way down to 2's, but I have a group of 3 right now. So I could go all the way down, but I don't need to. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looking for groups of 3. There's 1, 2, 3. So it's just 4x squared. This is the square root of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that's x to the 3rd, y to the 2nd, square root of 5. It's got to stay in. I'm going to erase this. And that's going to be, if I just put them all underneath there, there's 1, 2 x's, 1, 2, 3, x, 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 y, 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 y. I'm looking for groups of 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2 x's, 3 y's, x, y. And then this one, I can simplify first or I can distribute first. I'm going to simplify. If I subtract my exponent, 6 take away negative 3 would be 9. Distribute your 1/3, so it would be 1/3 times 9, and that's it. These, I'm just going to write the little, be 27 to the 1/5. The 5 goes on the bottom. 10 fifths. 5 fifths. It did not ask me to simplify. I don't want to. 54, 144 to the 1/2. X to the 6 halves. Y to the 10 halves. You can simplify it if you want to. 21 C to the 7/3. 1024 to the 1/2. A to the 3 halves. 36 to the 1/4. A to the 8/4. B to the 5/4. And then the cube root of 64. The 3rd root of s squared t1 b2, the square root of y3, 5th root of x squared y3, square root of x6 y3 z3. Alright, I'm going to put the, there's our SAT question. Just leave that up there for a second. Well, let me make it where you can see the whole thing. Yep, moving on. I'll put this in a different video so it doesn't get too large. Okay, now I gotta video this. How far am I gonna get tomorrow? Let's see. Pick a candle. I didn't do it on purpose. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Okay. And let me have the homework sheet pulled up here. What is this sucker called? Am I still recording?